Inside the cabin, engineered plastics do the heavy lifting, cutting weight, boosting comfort, and surviving daily wear. Sidewalls and overhead bins use lightweight composite panels, tough skins over honeycomb cores for strength without bulk. Seats, armrests, and tray tables use reinforced thermoplastics, stiff, scuff-resistant, and easy to replace. Inner window panes and shrouds are acrylic or polycarbonate, while diffusers for cabin lighting are clear, flame-rated plastics. Lavatory and galley modules are mostly composite shells, pre-molded, water-resistant, and fast to service. All interior plastics pass strict flame, smoke, and toxicity standards, safer cabins with lower weight and cost. Did you know that the material making up over half of some modern airliners can cut fuel burn by up to 20% on long-haul flights? It's not what you think. Why airplanes use plastic instead of metal, but that iconic image is quickly becoming a relic. Looking closely at a modern jetliner and you'll find something surprising. The age of metal is giving way to the era of advanced plastics. We're talking about carbon fiber composites, a space-age weave of materials that are, pound for pound, stronger than steel yet significantly lighter than aluminum. In fact, revolutionary aircraft like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and the Airbus A350 are built with more than 50% of these composite materials by weight. Their very structure, so count from the fuselage to the wings, is made of this incredible plastic. So why did engineers make this radical shift from trusted metal to advanced composites? The answer will change how you look at air travel forever. Let's find out. For decades, aluminum was the perfect material for airplanes. It's lightweight, strong, and easy to manufacture, but aluminum has a major weakness. Over time, repeated takeoffs, landings, and turbulence create tiny cracks inside the metal. This process is called metal fatigue. These cracks require regular inspections and expensive maintenance. Engineers wanted something lighter, stronger, and more boardier and more durable. Yes, we hear the word plastic, we think of bottles and toys. Aircraft plastics are completely different. Modern airplanes use advanced composites such as Carbon Fiber Reinforced Polymer or CFRP. These materials combine extremely strong carbon fibers with a plastic resin. The result is an incredibly strong and lightweight material. Pound for pound, carbon fiber can be stronger than steel while weighing far less. Weight is one of the biggest factors in aviation. Every extra kilogram requires additional fuel. A lighter airplane burns less fuel, flies farther, and costs less to operate. For airlines, even small weight reductions can save millions of dollars over an aircraft's lifetime. That's why composite materials have become so important. The inflection point for modern aviation arrived with the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. It wasn't just a new plane, it was a radical rethinking of aircraft design. Instead of aluminum sheets, the Dreamliner's primary structure was no longer metal. A staggering 50% of the aircraft is made from composite materials, primarily carbon fiber reinforced polymer or CFRP. This allowed entire fuselage sections to be manufactured as single massive pieces. The benefits were game-changing. The massive weight reduction led to 20% improvement in fuel efficiency, plus composites don't corrode like aluminum, drastically reducing maintenance needs. This even improved the passenger experience. Because composites don't fatigue like metal, the cabin can be pressurized to a lower, more comfortable altitude. The result, you feel less jet-lagged. Seeing this success, rival Airbus responded with its own masterpiece, the A350. Airbus pushed the envelope even further, with 53% of its structure made from advanced composites. Today, the legacy of the 787 and A350 is clear. Composites are no longer an experiment, they are a fundamental part of nearly every new commercial aircraft, setting the standard for the future of flight. Advanced composites are found throughout the airplane. Common plastic and composite parts include radomes, engine nacelles, landing gear doors, winglets, flaps and spoilers, plus interior sidewalls, overhead bins, floor and seat structures. Modern aircraft contain thousands of kilograms of engineered plastics. If composites are so good, why not use them everywhere? Because they still have limitations. They are expensive to manufacture and more difficult to repair. Some areas near jet engines experience extreme temperatures that composites cannot handle. That's why engineers still use materials such as titanium and specialized metal alloys in high temperature areas. The best solution is a combination of composites and metals. Researchers are developing even stronger and lighter composite materials. Future aircraft may contain higher percentages of advanced plastics than today's airplanes. The goal is simple: build aircraft that are lighter, safer, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. Step inside, and composites are everywhere you touch. Those smooth sidewall panels, their lightweight sandwich structures, fiber skins, honeycomb cores, cutting kilos, dampening noise, insulating against temperature swings. Overhead bins are molded composite shells with honeycomb reinforcement, stronger, lighter, shaped to swallow larger bags without adding weight, reducing fuel burn over every flight. Seats use carbon fiber frames, advanced thermoplastic shells, trims kilograms per order, boosts durability against constant use, improves crash energy management, safer, slimmer, more comfortable. Windows pair stretched acrylic layers with tough inner panes, clear, UV resistant, lighter than glass, keeping cabins bright, maintaining pressure integrity, minimizing weight. Lavatory and galley modules are composite monocokes, glass or carbon fiber skins, phenolic resins, honeycomb cores, rigid, modular, easy to clean, antimicrobial surfaces, stain resistant surfaces, survive thousands of cycles. Across the cabin, these plastics aren't ordinary, engineered to meet strict flame standards, smoke standards, toxicity standards, resist impacts, resist scuffs, integrate wiring, integrate ducts, integrate LED lighting into panels. The result: lighter airplanes, tougher interiors, quieter rides, cleaner, more comfortable spaces for every passenger. So the next time you step onto a modern airliner and settle in for your flight, take a moment to think about the incredible machine you're in, because you're not just flying inside a giant metal tube anymore. The age of planes being simple aluminum cans with wings is fading into history. Instead, you're flying inside one of the most advanced composite structures ever created. A marvel of material science, meticulously woven from countless strands of carbon fiber, each one thinner than a human hair yet possessing immense strength. This isn't just plastic, it's a precisely engineered fabric of innovation, bonded with advanced resins and cured under immense heat and pressure. The result is a structure built from materials that are significantly lighter than aluminum, yet stronger than many types of steel. This incredible strength-to-weight ratio is the secret behind modern aviation. It allows for lighter aircraft, which in turn burn less fuel, reduce emissions, and can fly further than ever before, connecting our world in ways previously unimaginable. It's a revolution that's not just happening on the outside but inside too, with composites making our cabin experience quieter and more comfortable. And that's the real reason modern airplanes are replacing metal with these incredible composite materials. It's a story of relentless innovation in the pursuit of safer, more efficient, and more sustainable flight. If you found this journey from metal to composites fascinating, show your support by hitting that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology that shapes our world. Don't forget to ring the bell icon so you won't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.